What are the differences between microeconomics and macroeconomics?
Macroeconomics means that economics in which a study regarding the individual unit. Macroeconomics means that economics in which a study regarding the aggregate unit. Microeconomics has limited scope. Macroeconomics has wide scope. Microeconomics is simple in nature. Macroeconomics is complicated in nature. Microeconomics is evaluated before macroeconomics, or macroeconomics evaluate after microeconomics.
Very good. What were consumer goods?
What do you mean consumer? Consumer goods means that goods which is used by customers.
Which is used by
Customers
customer.
or
Explain types of consumer goods.
types of durable consumer good, non-durable, semi-durable, or
इनको durable goods.
Durable goods means that goods which is which we can use longer time.
Examples.
Example, fixed assets are जैसे machinery और machinery, refrigerator, washing machine.
Non-durable goods.
Non-durable goods means that goods which is used for short period of time. Non-durable जैसे cloth जिन्हें थोड़ा यूज कर सकते हैं, और
नॉन ड्यूरेबल
क्लॉथ
नॉन ड्यूरेबल
नहीं सर, नॉन ड्यूरेबल which can be used only one time.
Which can be used only
one time.
Examples.
Food items.
Food items. Semi-durables.
Which can be used, semi-durable goods which can be used for a short period of time.
Intermediate goods.
Intermediate goods means that goods which is used in production process are also called raw material, or they are used within production boundary, or they are used also for resale by manufacturers. Or
Okay. Final goods.
Final goods means that goods which are cross the production boundary and used for
which is ready for use.
Which is ready for use and sale.
Okay, very good. Differences between consumer goods and capital goods.
Capital goods means those goods which satisfy human wants indirectly. Consumer goods that does not promote production capacity, and capital goods does not increase production capacity. Consumer goods only, durable goods have little long life, and other goods have some small life. And in capital goods, generally these goods have little long.
Okay, Tasu Jain from Dora.
Yes, sir.
Differences between intermediate goods and final goods.
Intermediate goods are those goods which are not ready for use, and final goods which are ready for use. These intermediate goods have remain from work, remains value to be added, and in final no value remains to be added. Intermediate goods are used. Intermediate goods are used after crossing the boundary line, and final goods. Intermediate goods are not used after crossing the boundary line, and final goods are used after crossing the boundary line.
Meaning of consumer goods.
Consumer goods are those goods which are ready to use by a consumer. Also, it is of four types: durable goods, semi-durable goods, semi-durable goods.
Okay, fine. चलिए, मुस्कान गोयल।
Yes, sir.
मुस्कान, differences between a stock and flow.
Stock refers to the value of variable measured at a particular point of time. Flow refers to the value of variable measured over a period of time. Stock is not time dimensional and flow is time dimensional. Stock
Hmm.
represent a static concept and flow represent a dynamic concept. Stock
Hmm.
impact flow. More the flow of capital, more will be the flow of goods and services, and flow impact the stock. More the flow of income, more will be the flow of people. Example of stock are overhead, water in tank, and population of country and wealth deposit in bank. And example of flow are uh, supply of water from tank and number of interest on capital.
हाँ मुस्कान, कंटिन्यू करो बेटा।
Sir, हो गया।
हो गया। फाइनल गुड्स।
Final goods are those goods which are ready for use or ready for sale and which is used by the final consumer, and they have crossed the production boundary. They have crossed the production boundary and they are ready for use. So that is no longer imported to them and they are in domestic.
ठीक है। तान्या बंसल फ्रॉम जोरा।
सर आवाज आ रही है बहुत तेज।
यस सर, इस आवाज से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
इरिटेशन हो रहा है?
हाँ सर।
मुझे भी हो रहा है। देखो शायद बंद हो गई होगी।
यस सर।
तान्या,
यस सर।
some examples given of stock. 5 एग्जांपल दो स्टॉक के।
Stock of wheat in a godown. Overhead water tank, stock of water. Any person deposit money in the bank. Mangoes are contained in a box. Mangoes are contained in a box for
ठीक है।
sale.
ओके, एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्लो। 5 एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्लो।
लो
केवल नाम ले दें, केवल नाम लिखने। हाँ
ओके सर। overhead नहीं, flow of water overhead of a tank. Money withdraw from the bank. Wheat are sale in the market from the stock. And mangoes are sale in the by the seller. तो एक नहीं आ रहा इससे आगे।
ठीक है। अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर निकाल लो। नेशनल इनकम वाला कंसेप्ट निकाल लो। सर्च कर लो इसमें कौन कौन से डाउटफुल क्वेश्चन है। पहले आपके डाउट लूंगा, देन मैं पूछूंगा। ठीक है।
डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉमिनल जीडीपी एंड रियल जीडीपी।
कौन सी बेटा ओम? रियल
नॉमिनल
जीडीपी
एंड रियल।
ओके, नॉमिनल जीडीपी और रियल जीडीपी। जैसे लास्ट में पहुंच गया। उससे पहले कोई डाउट? मैं ले रहा हूँ बेटा अभी, है नॉमिनल जीडीपी रियल जीडीपी डिफरेंस में अभी ले रहा हूँ। उससे पहले और कोई डाउट?
Method of